Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a PQRQP mini microphone system for my YouTube videos. So this is a wireless microphone system that you can connect it to your iPhone, a MacBook, or an iPhone as well, because now new iPhones are USB-C, or cameras. So any device, technically an iPad, a MacBook, and all that will work too. So this is a wireless system, meaning once you connect this to, for example, an iPhone, you just need to charge the battery on all the devices and then just turn it on and it automatically connects, which I'll show you a demo right now on how it works. On the side, as you can see, we have some features: highly sensitive, widely compatible, plug and play, 65 meters per size radio. So what's really cool about the system is that it's just plug and play. All you technically is do is connect it to your iPhone, charge it all up, and then there you go. You have a microphone, and your iPhone automatically detects it as your microphone. So it'll start using this instead of like your iPhone or your Galaxy microphone. So this works with Android devices as well. In the back, you have just more features, plug and play, the same things that are on the side, and just the system I have here. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I will be linking this exact model in the description below if you guys want to buy it yourselves. So let me go ahead and open this up. So there we go. Once the wrapper is off, you just slide it down like so. There we go. And then here are the microphones. And here, as you can see, we have a pull tab right here. And then there we go. Here are our microphones. Let me just, oh, this fell out. As you can see, we have a user manual, which I'll show you how to use this right now as well. And on the back, we have a little bag where you can put all your microphones so you can travel with it or take it around, including the receiver and charging cables. We have right here one microphone. We have right here one microphone and a clip that was right here that you just install right here to clip it on your shirt and all that stuff. We have the receiver itself. So this device just connects, again, like I said, to your iPhone, a MacBook, or another iPhone with, or an iPhone with USB-C, or a camera. And then the other microphone right here. The other microphone with the clip as well. And the USB-C charging cable to charge both the receiver and microphones. And you also have another microphone head. So for example, if you want to swap this one, you can pop this one on and it'll replace this one. So now I'm going to show you a demonstration. Right now, I'm using my iPhone to record with its built-in microphone, and right now we're going to do a little demo with this connected. So all you need to do is turn on the receiver, which right here, as you can see, it says power. We're going to hold that down. If it has power, oh, it does. So as you can see, it's starting to flash. When it's flashing red and green, that means it's waiting for a microphone. So from here, you can grab either microphone or both at the same time, and you look for the power button, if I can, which is right here on the back on both microphones. As you can see, the power button's on the back. We're going to hold that down to turn it on. There we go. As you can see, it's a solid green light now, and this one has also turned solid green. So that means there's a connection already. If I was to talk to it right now, you would be able to hear me. So let's go ahead and plug this into my iPhone. But as you can see, I have my iPhone right here, my main iPhone. So all you would essentially do is just plug this in to the lightning port right here. Or if you have USB-C, you just plug it into USB-C. Or for example, if you have an Android device, you just plug it in right there as well. Or a camera, you would just plug it in right here with camera. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my iPhone that I'm using to record to show you a difference in sound quality. Okay, so I went ahead and connected the receiver to the iPhone I'm using to record, and you should be able to hear the sound quality way better now. This is just a test of me talking directly to the microphone. So for example, I'm using one, but if I wanted to, I could also turn on this other one. And let's just say we hold and turn that on. As you can see, now they're both green, meaning both microphones are active. So right now, if you would, like, let's just say I was to set it down and then I was to tap on it, you should be able to hear those taps while I'm still using the other one to talk. So as you can see, now they're both active and it's working. So that right there was the audio test on these microphones. As you can see, the audio quality is really good. You can hear my voice really clear, and it sounds way better than for my iPhone microphone, because with the iPhone microphone, you can hear background noise, for example, like fans or tapping noises and other stuff. So this focuses on your voice, which is cool. So once you're done, and as you can see, I don't have them plugged in anymore. Let's just say you're done. You just hold down the power button to turn it off. So we're going to hold that down. The light turns off, and then as you can see, the microphones are flashing again, meaning that this is off. So if you were trying to talk, it tells you it's not working. You just hold down the power button again to turn it off. So we're going to hold that down. And there we go. That one's off, and then we just turn off the other one. There we go. So that was pretty much it. This was the unboxing and testing of the PQRQP mini microphone system. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.